dear friend, welcome to my channel. In my past video, I showed how to fit Langmuir-Freundlich isotherm or SIPS isotherm model using origin probe. This video has attracted to a notable attention to the scientific community. Therefore, in this video, I would like to show you how to fit Langmuir-Freundlich or SIPS isotherm model fitting using Microsoft Excel solver. Well, initially I have taken data for equilibrium concentration and amount adsorbed at equilibrium, and Langmuir-Freundlich isotherm can be written as Q equal to Qm into K into C to the power n divided by 1 plus K into C to the power n. This is 3 parameters model. So then you need to put fitting constants, which is 3 Kqm, K, and I have put some value for these 3, and you need to write this function here Q equal to Qm Kc to the power n divided by 1 plus Kc to the power n. Then equal to, you need to put this K9 Qm, then K, then C, and you put dollar because these values are constant. So then after writing this function, click enter and scroll down this. So then you need to find residual, which is just B2 minus C. Enter and scroll down this. Then you need to find out residual square, which is residual square equal square. Click enter and scroll down this. Then you need to determine the square of residual square, sum of residual square, which is equal to, just write equal to sum bracket then this and bracket close then n. So our target cell is this and our fitting constants is this. Then go to data, then click on solver. So and then fitting constants is these 3, and set minimum, then solve. So keep solver solution. So here is our good fitting, and these are the values for Qm, K, and n. Then you can also find out R square value. In order to do that, at first we have to find out average experimental doing this. Similarly, you also need to calculate average model, and then average sum square of residual. You can do like this: P16 minus C16 square. Then enter, and finally R square equal to 1 minus ASSR divided by SSR. So you can easily do this 1 minus G18 divided by F18. Then enter. So this is your R square value. So this is how we can easily fit Langmuir-Freundlich isotherm or SIPS model using MS Excel solver. If you would like to get similar type of video, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.